Hey my friends, today I will show you how to produce the drop of one of the most if not the most iconic progressive house song of all time. Yes, I'm talking about Swedish House Mafia's track Don't You Worry Child.
Oh my god!
So in today's video I will show you exactly how to make that drop. Let's get right into it. First I created a pad which is playing the chords as well as the melody on top. I layered this one with two other synths and an Nexus guitar. On the pads I just added some EQing, transpire to make the transients more punchy, reverb, delay and sidechain. For the leads I layered 4 synths. Then on the lead bus we got a low and high cut, more EQing, the peak controller that's used to sidechain the reverb, and sidechain. Then I layered 2 more plucks to the leads. On these I added just some EQing and OTT. As you can see, you don't need a ton of crazy effects if you use the right sounds and presets. Let's check out the sub bass. On this one I only added an EQ with a high cut to make room for the mid bass. And sidechain of course. Speaking of the mid bass, I added 3 mid bass layers to the sub which sound like that. Here we have some crazy EQing, but it was needed to make them sit nice in the mix. Then we got another EQing, a low and high cut, some OTT and EST which add more flavor to the sound, another EQ, and sidechain. Alright, so these were all the melodic sounds. Now we need some drums. This the kick. I layered it with a ride and a cymbal loop. These add more highs and movement to the drop. There's a clap on every second kick for more groove and a snare fill in the middle of the drop. In the second half of the drop we have some more percussion elements that also add more groove and movement. Nice. Then we got a crash and a downlifter. And some ambient sounds. Usually these sounds don't require a lot of effects. On the rides and cymbals for example I only adjusted the volume, but I do suggest cleaning up your ambient sounds with some EQing to get rid of any harsh frequencies. On this one I also added some reverb and sidechain. This is what all the drums sound like together. By the way, before we check out the final result I wanted to let you know that all the samples and presets I used in this video are from my sample pack called Orbit. This pack comes with 180 drum samples, 180 effect samples, 100 Silent 100 serum presets and 40 MIDI chords. So make sure to get the pack now if you want to make progressive house like Swedish House Mafia, Martin Garrix or Dubvision. First link in the description. Okay, let's check out the final result. I love you.